Hi, so we just wanted to add a quick short video about exercises in week 2 because in the first week we have been using just variables and constants. Now we know about functions, so most of the exercises starting on right now will ask you to create a function which does something. And so basically what I wanted to stress out was that this exercise could have been like designed in such a way that you are asked create a function which calculates the area of trapezoid, okay? And this would be like fine, and then you have to create this function def and this is written here that the function should be called trapezoid area. So then you write trapezoid area. It has to take 3 arguments, so a, b, and h. Then you use colon, and then you have to figure out what to write inside this function to get the correct result, and then it would be checked using our automatic tests. To make it a little bit easier for you, at the beginning we will be providing blueprints, so like a scheme of a function which you just have to fill in with your ideas. So here you have if you open this exercise, you can see that this was what was here at the beginning. You have already this def part, you have the name of the function, you have the arguments, and the only thing you have to fill in is the formula to compute the area of trapezoid. So this makes things easier for you. Of course, you can change this blueprint and maybe it will work, and maybe you will pass all the exercises, all the tests, all the automatic tests. It's also fine. You can actually try it if you want, but you don't have to. If you want to, you can use this blueprint for now. And of course, later on, when the course gets more and more complicated, or if you go into more advanced courses, then you will, of course, have to create the functions from scratch, and then you will have to be more careful about like what is actually written in the task description. So to use the proper names of functions, use proper names of arguments, and so on and so on. But for now, we are trying to make things a little bit easier for you. So for now, you can use these blueprints, and hopefully this will make things easier for you. One other important thing for you to remember is that you can create additional cells here when you are working on a problem to try out your function. So imagine that you already have this. Okay, let's put a simple definition of a function. So let's say that trapezoid area is just equal to one of its sides. Of course, this is incorrect, so I didn't help you like at all with the exercise. And you can check if the result of the function is as you expect it to be. Okay, the result is the value of the first argument. So this is how you design the function. This is the result you will get. I guess at the end it's better to delete these cells after you are sure that everything works correctly. You don't have to usually. Usually it should work on Gradescope, but if you get some weird error which is not connected to your function, not connected, it's not type error, not something, and you don't understand why it works, maybe the reason is that you have added something in your cells which changes the behavior of the text. As I said, it shouldn't happen, but sometimes if you have used some really weird code, created really weird code in your when you were trying to when you are using your solution, then maybe it might happen. So then maybe it's a good idea to delete these cells, but usually it shouldn't happen. Okay, so this is the first exercise. Remember, this was not correct solution, so you'll still have to figure it out yourself. So yeah, that's all about exercises starting now on, from because you already know functions. And that's all. So see you in the next video. See you in the next notebooks. And thank you for your attention, and good luck with the exercises.